especially in business. You need a mentor. Do you agree?
Yes.
All the leaders in Korea, how many did you mentor? If you mentor a few, how long? None? 1 month? 2 months? That's a problem. Because you're doing it part-time. Doing it part-time, no, it's the attitude, not the time. Because if you want something, you will do your best. I will show you a clip later. In online marketing, online. There's a lady in Malaysia with no day off. No day off. For the past 20 years. Cell phone is prohibited every day. He doesn't know how to use Facebook. He doesn't know how to use computer. Her cell phone is a monologue type. You cannot view, you cannot send pictures in her cell phone. That's very old school. But she's selling 70,000 to 100,000 worth of sales per month. I interviewed her. How did you do that? If you want something, nothing can stop you. She's not an onliner. Many are calling themselves online expert but cannot sell. I'm online, I'm the power of online. Yung pala, tsamba lang. But that lady doesn't know how to use Yahoo, computer, Facebook, high-tech cell phone. Old school pa yung cell phone, not a smartphone. But she's selling 70,000 to 100,000. It is not on the time. It is not on your gadget. It is not on, alakas akong internet eh. If you want something, nothing can stop you. The question is, do you want it? If not, that's fine. For 3 years, 5 years, wala pa rin nangyayari. Speaking English is hard, Stephen. Especially I'm a high school graduate. But I'm practicing right now. I have a 3-year-old, 4-year-old daughter. And her first language is English. We didn't taught her to speak in English, but we have a goal that we want the children to speak in English. Her first language is English. She watched a lot of Nickelodeon, Disney Junior. Then that's how she learned English. And that's how I learned too. Because every day of my life, I need to speak to her English. A 4-year-old teaching me. Did you sleep? No, Daddy, I tripped. Sabi ko, magkaiba pala yun. She knows English very well. Kaya, pardon me if I don't have a good grammar. But foreigners, they don't care. Only Filipinos. Kala natin kung sino tayo, kung sino pang Pinoy. Ay, mali English mo. Ano ngayon? Amerikano, hindi nagreklamo. Ito, nagreklamo, Amerikano ka pa. That's our problem. Pardon me, Stephen, huh? I'm trying my best to explain everything in English. That's why you need to do A Global seriously, very serious. That's what is our topic right now. And 10 years of A Global, what happened? So this is our first topic.